of the sacrifice, the blood. So it's made of the sacrifice and the blood. There is no altar.
That is created without the blood. For an altar, it needs the blood.
That is why now
Even if
as
you are
long
born
as
again, if at your home there's still whilst you are still connected with them,
if you don't disconnect yourself
how
from
say
the
to
situation,
it will affect you.
Oh, just
Amen.
now Jesus, because now an altar that they created in the Old Testament for this was an altar where man took initiatives by himself. Because
the person moved from where God started. Our problem, we are working with God that we do not allow for Him. We enter into the things He has started. We start things wanting God to enter or involve Himself. The lack of God is where God does
so as long as Adama
was watching upon what God has done, there was the lack.
But the minute Adama
shifted from what God has placed him, he now needed to fend for himself. What is lack?
Is the empowerment of God upon a person to succeed. Now le hlohonoloo ke o matlafatswa ho atleha ho jwalo ka thohano thoako ko matlafatswa ho hloleha.